This afternoon I've got my e-flite UMX Turbo Timber Evolution, left and right in the ailerons, left and right in the rudders, up and down the elevator, armed, half flaps, looking good, all ready to fly. 3S 300 today. A little bit of wind out of the south, they're saying. South is to my right. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of drifting, so I'd say I agree. It was saying 5 to 7, so I don't know if it's that much, but I think the birds are trying to figure out what this is.
6 minutes.
I'm going to coast down in here, add some power and go around. I've moved the soccer goals around. I think they're getting ready to put them away. Although the season's been done for a while, people have still been playing here. And they're all the way back over there to my right, which is back a long way, which helps. It's good for me. It gives me a larger field, actually, because it's out an extra 10 yards probably in between the goals. There we go for a nice slow pass. A little too far away to see where I really was there. I knew I was inverted, but I didn't want to hit the wrong way, so easier to hit the button. Switch. It's not a panic switch, it's a I'm in panic button. It's a literal switch I have on this to control safe versus AS3X or no gyro at all. I usually run an AS3X because I like the little help with wind. Helps you stay straight. Gives you just that little touch of
4 minutes.
Safety. Another slow pass. It's actually zero throttle. Add some power and pull it around. And she just turns really quick. Very nice.
Low battery, 3.4 volts.
Wow. A little bit surprised. I think this has been charged for a day or so, but it's one of the small packs. It is a little chilly out here. It's in the upper 30s right now, I believe. Maybe low 40s. We'll let it recover a little bit. These little packs of 3S 300s do pretty well. Especially in the warmth up. Now I can feel a little bit of wind coming from behind me. So I'm pretty much going into it right now. I'm going to add some flaps here just to fly even slower. See about coming in with a real slow pass.
Flaps up. Low battery, 3.4 volts. 3 minutes. Low battery.
It might really be low. If it's given it to me twice in a row like that. That was full throttle pulling out, so again, I'm not 100% sure why it's at that low so fast, but I'm going to do another loop. We'll do a loop into the wind here.
Low battery, 3.4 volts.
Yeah. With constant throttle, I'm not getting the low battery, so that's good. Just a whole bunch of loops. And into that wind. I'm going to come from the right side a little slower. Maybe we'll see about doing a full flap, landing flap mode.
Flaps down, landing mode on.
And just use a little full flaps. That wasn't too bad. I'm going to try to come into the other direction just because the wind, really popping it up with a little bit of wind. But I guess that should be expected. That's what flaps are supposed to do. Slow you down and keep you up. Here we go, 0 throttle right now, just gliding into this breeze, just a tad, 5-10% here of throttle. Gonna add just a little more in a second here. Yeah, get out.
Low battery, 3.3 volts.
And recovering the 3.8, so I think it's just the cold temperatures and recovery is hard.
Low battery, 3.4 volts. One minute.
Yeah.
Seconds. Low battery, 3.4 volts. Seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, since I've gotten my full life out of the battery that I expect, and it's a cold day, I'm going to look to bring her down. So we'll see about flying her in closer here. And turning just a bit, and there we go. The UMX Turbo Timber Evolution.
Battery. Safety on.
And we are done for this plane. We'll fly another plane in a second. Probably my slow stick, slow ultra stick by e-flite 1.2.